Now this is my new zombie walker, done with a Shiatsu massager. Have to put him on the ground because he's got so much motion to him that he'll actually walk across the concrete patio, and he gets to the point where he's almost offset and gets off balance and falls over. So I'm going to have to either counterweight the back of it, or I'm going to have to stake him to the ground. You can see how the legs are moving back and forth. Little billet holes for realism. Massager was $3 at Goodwill, and I think the walker was about $6. And a fake latex rubber head, little PVC pipe, and scrap clothes. Did it all for probably $30.